Energy costs are not decreasing, and every day we need to consider more green, efficient strategies for our companies. At the heart of factories and distribution centers are complex components, all which consume electricity. While many have turned to high-efficient electric motors to cut costs, many have overlooked a critical component with even more cost-saving potential. That is the worm gearbox. Worm gearboxes are everywhere. They're the easiest way to convert high-speed power from an electric motor into a usable low-speed, high-torque form required by everyday conveyors, mixers, hoists, and countless other applications. Almost every material handling or manufacturing facility has worm gears in operation, each one operating at efficiency levels that are far outdated. Hub City Incorporated has developed a new gear drive platform designed to cut electricity consumption within manufacturing systems by up to 40%. That's right, 40%. Hub City's new drive, known as HERA, not only delivers twice the torque of traditional worm gear drives, but also does it with a 90% efficiency rating. Traditional drives are typically 40 to 85% efficient, wasting a lot of electricity. This demonstration shows a traditional worm gearbox operating next to a HERA, both performing the same task. As you can see, HERA is driving the exact same load, the same torque and speed as the worm reducer, yet it is using less energy. In addition to the energy savings in the gearbox, the application that once required a 3-horsepower motor with a worm reducer can now be operated with a smaller reducer and a 1.5-horsepower motor. Traditionally, when you buy a unit of electricity, 12% of that power is lost due to the inefficiency of the electric motor, then another 38% is consumed by the worm gearbox inefficiency. Only 50% of the electricity you paid for is converted to usable power. With the HERA replacement strategy, combined with high-efficient electric motors, we now see that 10% of that power is lost due to the inefficiency of the electric motor, and a mere 9% is used to drive the HERA gearbox. This results in 81% of the electricity you paid for being put to productive use. The motor can be half the size, and HERA generates far less heat due to reduced friction. Our HERA product comes in 4 different sizes, is highly versatile, and with expansion plates can readily replace nearly all existing worm gear products. Hub City has developed an online calculator so you can see for yourself how much money you will save by converting to these gear drives. Just one HERA drive could save up to $1,000 a year. Multiply that by several hundred units, depending on your operation, and a HERA replacement strategy pays for itself within a year. HERA, which is American engineered and manufactured, requires the simplest installation of any on the market. No welding and no drilling. As your current worm gearboxes wear out, drop in HERA and start saving money. Talk to a sales representative today about a strategy to put HERA to work for you. Doing more with less energy. That's Hub City Innovation at work for you. If managing a bottom line defines your job description, you probably struggle to control costs on every level. Yet the price of energy is something you cannot control. You can, however, try your best to cut energy use through green strategies that reduce consumption and ensure a cleaner environment for generations to come. Reductions in energy consumption can take place just about anywhere within a system. However, one basic element is frequently overlooked when developing a green strategy, and that is the drive systems comprised of worm gearboxes coupled with an electric motor. These drive systems run nearly every facet of a production line or facility. It is estimated that 70% of the electric power consumption in a typical facility is used to power electric drive systems, producing 26 billion metric tons of carbon emissions in the U.S. alone. Electric drive systems are everywhere. You'll find them on conveyors, air handlers, pumps, mixers, hoists, compressors, and countless other applications. It's not unusual for a facility or plant to have hundreds of drive systems powering equipment of many types. Imagine if you could scale back the electric usage on all these drive components yet retain or even improve the same function. The savings potential would be significant. Hub City Incorporated and Marathon Electric, two innovative Regal brands, have developed the next generation of ultra-efficient electric drive systems designed to cut energy consumption by up to 40%. Introducing HERAMAX, a system-maximizing gear drive motor duo. It incorporates a modular design whereby components can be configured as needed, maximizing the versatility and flexibility of the drive to the application. HERAMAX is the marrying of the Hera gear drive developed by Hub City Incorporated and an ultra-high-efficient max motor from Marathon Electric. The Hera gear drive, with an astounding 90% efficiency rating, offers a smaller package and twice the torque of traditional worm gears. The max drive motor is torque matched to optimally operate the Hera gear drive and performance matched to operate with all PWM AC inverters. It features an IP56 rated enclosure, making it perfect for applications in industries that require a higher degree of protection against the entry of dust, water, and other contaminants. Together, the HERAMAX drive system delivers twice the torque of traditional systems, with efficiency ratings up to 2 to 3 indexes over NEMA Premium. This demonstration shows a traditional induction motor worm drive duo contrasted with an ultra-efficient HERAMAX drop-in replacement. Both are performing the same task, typical in a production setting. HERAMAX is driving the exact same load, same torque, but is using less energy to operate. In many cases, a lower horsepower HERAMAX can be used because of the increased efficiency and added torque, saving you more money. Traditionally, when you buy a unit of electricity, 26% of that power is directed towards operating an electric motor, then another 24% is consumed by a worm gearbox. Subsequently, only 50% of the electricity you paid for is converted to usable power. With a HERAMAX replacement strategy, less than 10% of the electricity is used to power the gearbox. That, coupled with the motor efficiency, results in up to 83% of the electricity you paid for being put to productive use. Additionally, adding a brake or an encoder has never been easier or faster with the new HERAMAX system. In fact, several options are available, and HERAMAX can be modeled to meet complex customer needs. The Max Drive motor features an innovative quick termination system in the conduit box. The QTS allows for quick connection of power leads, plug-and-play connection for adding an M encoder, patented easy selection voltage change device, and easy connection for adding a Dynamax brake. Further customize HERAMAX to meet your application needs by adding available mounting kits, single or double extension shafts, B-bases, T-bases, F-flange kits, vertical mount kits, or torque arm kits. The modular versatility whereby components can be configured as required maximizes the flexibility of the HERAMAX system to the application. With only 16 SKUs, along with a few accessory kits, you can replace literally hundreds of worm speed reducer SKUs, dramatically simplifying inventory with a HERAMAX strategy. The power density of HERAMAX will also fit into those tight spots without requiring a lot of retrofitting or modification to the mounting area. HERAMAX drive systems are significantly cooler than their traditional counterparts. Lower operating temperature results in longer oil and seal life and less frequent maintenance. The efficiency savings of HERAMAX are significant over the entire speed range of the drive system. At half speed, HERAMAX is a whopping 43% more efficient than the equivalent induction motor and drive. And we've engineered them to run much quieter to help manage noise better. This is particularly beneficial when the public or employees are near equipment. The high-efficiency, space-saving, reliable HERAMAX motor is the best motor investment you can make for your application. HERAMAX ultra-efficient drive systems are designed to easily replace NEMA or IEC motors and traditional worm drives. Because of its increase in torque, smaller, lighter units can be used. However, shaft height and bolt patterns have remained consistent. They drop right in with no drilling or welding and start saving electricity from day one. HERAMAX is truly a plug-and-play replacement. Contact a sales representative to see how much you could save with HERAMAX. Just one HERAMAX replacement could save you over $500 a year. Multiply that by several hundred units, depending on your operation, and a HERAMAX replacement strategy can pay for itself within a year. So remember, the HERAMAX replacement strategy delivers a smaller footprint, lower cost of ownership, less inventory, high torque density, high efficiency, and the longest warranty in the industry. We have reset the standard and will continue to lead the industry in cost-saving innovation with the most advanced products available. It's all about economic savings, environmental stewardship, and reduced waste. In other words, sustainability. Talk to a sales representative today about a strategy to put HERAMAX to work for you. The next generation of power and a sustainable future. That's Marathon Electric and Hub City Incorporated, two innovative brands from Regal at work for you.